Emotionally, you're quarantining, you're trying to take a break from everybody around you or situation around you, and you're trying to, yeah, you're very much trying to be single right now. You might be dealing with a Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, some of you. Right now, your emotions or your feeling is to be on yourself and not deal with anybody. It's like you are single and you're having the me time, okay? You want to work on your stability, you want to work on your foundation, you want to work on your money. So somebody might have done something to you because of which you don't want to deal with anybody around, okay? And you're just trying to isolate yourself. If you're a student, then I see that you'll be spending a lot of time educating yourself, cutting cords with the outer world, maybe deactivating your social media or something like that, and trying to educate yourself on various topics. All right, what is the love message for Scorpio, please, for November 2020? 11 to the end of November 2020. So Hierophant, woo. Yeah, so okay, one's at the bottom. So what I see is that you are isolating yourself from all sort of drama. Like you don't want to settle for a connection which is anything less than marriage or anything less than commitment, like a long-term thing. So now when you're planning for a connection, you don't want unstable people and unstable emotions, okay? You might have had situations in the past where you have given a lot and you never like it was never reciprocated, and being continuously hurt in situations like that, now you have decided that you will not indulge in anything if it's not solid. So you are somewhere making your mind that you will not indulge with someone until it's solid, okay? You might be dealing with a Taurus very strongly or a Virgo very strongly, and I see that you're looking for a future with this person and you're sort of trying to think the situation totally, okay? It's like you're trying to value the pros and cons and you're trying to see where it goes, basically. So it's basically yeah, Page of Sword. So you are that's what I was saying, that you are trying to isolate yourself, but you have your tabs on, okay? You have people who you are looking for. As I said, some of you could be a Virgo, could be a Taurus, could be a Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, and you sort of keep an eye on them and you're trying to analyze the situation with them. Maybe you have this person on your mind and you want to see where this connection would go with this person, how genuine they are or not. So you're trying to seek information, okay? You're trying to seek information from someone. And on the vice versa, I also see there could be a Taurus or a Virgo who is out of your life right now. They are not communicating as much with you, or they are like not in touch with you continuously, and you wonder maybe they are out of your life but they are trying to get information about you. So somebody looks for a future with you, or you look for a future with someone, and they are trying to gather information. They want to be 100% sure about you, so they are asking your friends or family or mutuals or something like that. So you might hear about this from someone that, oh, somebody was inquiring about you, that sort of thing. So what is Scorpio feeling about this person in the connection? What is Scorpio feeling? So 6 of Swords, you're very hopeful, and I definitely sense that you've gone through something major and you have isolated yourself, as I said, emotionally or physically. You isolated and you want that this connection this time should not hurt you, and you're taking the step very carefully, okay? Like you are like once bitten twice shy sort of situation where you're very careful, okay? Again, you're looking for a solid long-term commitment with the 4 of Wands, and you don't want to get hurt, so you're being very careful, gathering information, seeing how to go about it, where to go and stuff like that. You don't want anything which can sustain for 2-3 months and then it's a breakup again. So you're very careful, okay? And very slowly and gradually you're working towards this situation so that it turns into your favor with this person. So it could be a Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Aries, Leo, Sag is here. Taurus and Virgo is very dominant. What is this person feeling towards? That was quick. Page of Pentacle. If you're dealing with a Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, they also want to take it forward with you. And Scorpio, I also sense you might be dealing with someone, this Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, who know that you are going through some sort of major shit in life, and they are somehow supporting you in this, okay? And they want to support you in this. They want to provide you help in this to get out of this, okay? So since last 5 months or since May, You are going through a tough cycle. I think you've ended a tough cycle in a situation, be it career, be it family, or anything. And this person here, they want to help you, they want to support you. Okay, so the feelings seem to be mutual here. It's not one-sided connection. So we have Three of Wands. Yeah, this person is also waiting for you to make a move. Maybe you are seeing each other for some time and you both know that you like each other, but maybe you told them that you have some sort of issues going on in your life and you first need to sort them out. So this person is waiting for you to make a move. Okay, so you're dealing with someone who's waiting on you to make a move, and there is love here, mutual. This is not a one-sided connection. You both very much want this to work. Two of Pentacles, but just it's that this person knows that you have lot going on in your life right now with a situation which you're trying to balance. They know that you're trying to balance your personal life and career, or money and career, or something. You're trying to balance things, or you're overworking, overexerting yourself, and this person sort of, see, from Two of Pentacles, they want to support you through this Page of Pentacle energy. So what will be this person's next action towards my Scorpio? Wheel of Fortune. This person feels in the same way that you want them to feel for you. You know, this is one of those connections which are meant to be. So it's like no matter you talk or you don't, as I said, you're trying to isolate yourself from the world, but this person will still keep check on you. They will talk to you. Okay, you can't really separate out from this connection. They always are there for you. Okay, and they want to make it work with you as well, and they will. What's the outcome here for the Scorpio, please? Eight of Wands. Things will be moving right now, and the World card at the bottom of the deck. So I see that you're trying to do a lot at this time, and you're trying to balance your personal life with your profession, or money or something is bothering you, because of which you're not paying much attention to this love situation. But this is not going to be the case for much longer. I see that you will be working on the situation, and with the Eight of Wands, things will move very fast. I can also see if you're waiting for a communication, I think you've blocked somebody, or you are not talking to someone and you're waiting for a communication. That's a weird thing, but people do that, right? So I think if you're waiting for a communication, this person is reaching out to you. Very well, this person is interested to make a move towards you, but they just want you to sort out your life or whatever it is, and they will support you in this. Okay, and the World card shows a new chapter basically. So they want to take this to the next level with you. Okay, wherever you are. If it's commitment, then it could be marriage. If you're dating, then it can be commitment. If you're talking, then it can be dating, you know, something like that. This is a mutual connection where you both want to support each other and take this to the next level. And I think you guys are soulmate or karmic of some sort, because the Wheel of Fortune is here. So it's like this connection is meant to be, you know, you can't deny the connection. Any advice for Scorpio moving forward, please? Ace of Swords. So communicate clearly. Don't try to manipulate and twist and turn words. That's what it is. And we have the Lovers card. So I think you have love for this person and they have love for you. So you're being asked to communicate it clearly. Okay, don't try to overthink. Some of you are trying to overthink situations. So you are just trying to think what this person would say, what will they do, and you're just trying to analyze the whole situation in your mind and then not taking any action. Stop doing that. Okay, if you have this connection, this love for someone, you should definitely tell to this person and see where it goes and how it goes. So let's take a Romance Angel card for you guys. And come out of your quarantine, by the way. You're trying to quarantine when the world is moving out. You're trying to quarantine yourself. All right, give me a message for Scorpio, please. So attraction, see, you attract romantic love by enjoying this moment fully. So some of you, either you're trying to live in the future or you're trying to live in the past. Live in the present. If you live in the present, you will be able to enjoy this moment fully. And some of you, as I said, you know, you're trying to overexert yourself. Okay, so extend your light-hearted energy to others. You need to sort of unburden yourself and don't pressurize yourself, basically. Okay, and then you'll be able to experience this. Now let's see all the signs from Aries to Pisces. from Aries to Pisces, please. One more shuffle. All right. Scorpio dealing with Aries. So, Knight of Pentacles, the situation might be moving a little slow. Okay, this person is coming towards you, but they are coming pretty slow. They might also be stuck somewhere. Maybe they have some sort of responsibilities, or maybe they have a lot going on in their life, okay, because of which they are stuck, but they are moving towards you. It's pretty slow though. Taurus. Scorpio dealing with Taurus. Chariot, things are going to move really fast towards you. I think you also need to leave the past in the past. So, okay, you have some trauma that you're trying to carry from your past relationship, or some childhood trauma, or some sort of things, you know. And again, see, so leave the traumas in the past and try to move forward. That's what it is, okay? Don't try to isolate yourself. Unnecessary, you've created unnecessary ambiguity. Gemini. Scorpio with Gemini. Ooh, there could be a marriage or a commitment with a Gemini. I think both of you want to have this commitment, and as we said, you know, you should, yeah, I think there was someone that you had in your life, but you choose this Gemini over them, and you need to communicate clearly to this person. All right, Cancer. I see the Cancer is rushing in to communicate with you. So if you guys have not been talking since some time, they want to come towards you, but this Cancer is having weird imaginations about you. They really miss the intimacy with you. They are hooked onto you basically, okay? They can't take you off their mind. I see a very fast moving communication from a Cancer. Okay, so yeah, I think you just try to cut each other out because of some sort of confusion, but yeah, this person is now coming to clear the air with you. Leo. And I think also you have cut this person, this Cancer, because of their codependency, but they can't resist you. Okay, with the Leo, I see they have a lot of passion towards you and they are coming in. They also stalk you, or they gossip about you, or they just try to seek information about you. Virgo. The Virgo wants to have balance with you. They also want to support you in some way. Maybe they want to give you money. Maybe they want to give you some sort of help. Yeah, they want to help you, okay? And they have feelings which they are trying to hide. All right, Libra. The Libra wants to be single for some time. I think they're single and they're happy, and they are also trying to juggle you and someone else, or you're trying to do that. For now, you just leave the situation as it is. Yeah, I think you need to wait with this Libra for some time. Scorpio dealing with Scorpio. There could be a message. There could be a message or an apology coming in from the Scorpio. I think you guys are even. You guys will be evening out. Okay, maybe the Scorpio was putting you as an option, okay, and they sort of got it back. So they treated you like an option and they got it back from someone, okay? So karma somehow hit this person and they realized that they shouldn't have done what they did to you. All right, Sagittarius. The Sagittarius is thinking about you. They can't sleep. They regret whatever they did to you. So I think the Sagittarius played you and they really regret whatever they did, and they want to come back to work it out with you. They realize what you had to give to them and they will never get it from anyone else. Capricorn. The Capricorn is coming around with the Wheel of Fortune. I think it's a karmic situation with this Capricorn. Yeah, you'll be receiving a communication, like a fast moving communication. You might also receive a commitment offer from this person. Aquarius. So I think there was a third party situation with an Aquarius. You made an offer but it was rejected, or they will be making an offer which is going to be rejected. I also see things just came crumbling down. This person left you out in the cold, or things just suddenly broke off. I see a lot of drama with the Aquarius here. Pisces is holding back a lot. They don't tell you what it is exactly. Yeah, some healing is required here. This Pisces has some infidelity issues and they don't tell you. I think you just guys are going in extremes. Like you might have told them things in extremes and now this person is holding back. Maybe they were cheating, you caught them, and then when you told them, they just are trying to act very defensive in the situation. So yeah, that was the reading. Hope this helps and resonate. If it does, subscribe, like, share, comment. I will see you very soon in the next. You guys take care. Bye.